This is the elevator at Kirkwood Hall, IU, Bloomington. Got another monitor install. Smells weird in here. Let's go up to 3. Wow, I can literally feel the motor vibrating the floor. It feels so weird. Here are 3. Takes a minute to level.
Oh, it opens up at here.
Let's go back down to 1W. This is a nice cab. Impressed for just a monitor install. And that panel is pretty fancy. At a 2,500 pound capacity. Yeah, this is a nice one overall. Nice cab too. Here we're back down at 1W. Yeah, there it goes. That'll be it.